From security point of view, which is again one key differentiator of what provide or what differentiate Google Cloud from others, is the increase in cyber attacks over the recent years have been a wake-up call for the entire region, actually globally, but specifically in the regions because of the extreme importance of security. We have been expanding our cloud region in the Middle East since 2018, as we believe we need to put our trusted infrastructure where our customers are to support them in running their workloads locally. The region will deliver high performance, low latency, zero emissions, cloud-based services for customers in countries across the region. In 2019, we announced our expansion plans in Qatar by launching our first cloud region in Middle East in Doha in participation with Qatar Free Zone Authority. This was subsequently followed by an opening of Google Cloud offices and the Center of Excellence in Qatar in 2021, enabling us to support our customers in Qatar very closely. In addition, again, to launching the cloud region that we did in Qatar, we opened our offices in Qatar. Google Cloud is keen to take the lead in building a digitally skilled workforce in Qatar, and that can be done through the Center of Excellence in Qatar that we recently opened its virtual doors in June 2021, with the vision to build digital skills for the future in partnership with Qatar Free Zone and Ministry of Transportation and Communication, along with Intel. The objective of the training facility is to foster innovation in the state of Qatar using the latest technology based on an AI machine learning. The training facility provides free hands-on training in Google tools and technologies for both individuals and business seeking to expand their technology skills and succeed in increasingly digital cloud. The center will also serve as an incubator for high potential startups, which is, I think that's very important support or commitment from Google to its customers and users in the state of Qatar, because we believe the startups are one of the key pillars of the potentials we have in the country to help them evolve in terms of IT. In the span of the past 3 months, 250 people have completed training programs. We operate the cleanest cloud in the industry. This means that we match 100% of our electricity consumption with renewable energy purchases on an annual and global basis. In 2007, we were the first major company to become carbon neutral. We plan to be carbon negative by 2030. 90% of Google Cloud's waste is diverted from landfills. We achieved a power usage effectiveness compared to the global average of 1.58. Regional impact on sustainability. By working with government and businesses in the region, we make sure our customer can leverage Google Cloud's technology and information to help build their own climate action plans.